Good evening, this is Ankita Singh, and you are watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Let's begin with our top stories. Deported Indian migrants have shared harrowing experiences of the donkey route, a dangerous and illegal path through multiple countries to reach the United States. Recent deportations via US. Military aircraft have highlighted the severe risks and consequences of such journeys as authorities continue to crack down on illegal migration. In a major development, the United States has deported 104 Indian nationals via a military aircraft to Amritsar. This marks the first such operation to India and underscores the tightening immigration policies. The move has sparked concerns over the treatment of deportees and the broader implications of the crackdown. Meanwhile, in politics, AAP MP Sanjay Singh has dismissed exit polls predicting a BJP victory in the Delhi Assembly elections. He urged the public to wait for the official results on 8 February, maintaining that the party remains confident in its performance. On the sports front, Team India has suffered a setback as Virat Kohli has been ruled out of the first ODI against England due to a knee injury. As a result, Yashasvi Jaiswal and Harshit Rana have made their ODI debuts, stepping in as India prepares for the upcoming Champions Trophy. Moving on to Bengaluru, residents have been alerted to a surge in fake delivery scams. Fraudsters posing as agents from major e-commerce platforms have been targeting unsuspecting citizens. Authorities are urging residents to remain vigilant and take necessary precautions. In response to the recent deportations, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has addressed India's stance, stating that nations have an obligation to repatriate citizens residing illegally abroad. He also emphasized the need for humane deportation processes to ensure the dignity and rights of those affected. India is also evaluating the impact of renewed U.S. sanctions on Iran's Chabhar port. The government is closely assessing the potential consequences on strategic investments and regional connectivity, given the port's importance in India's trade and geopolitical strategy. In Mumbai, Kandivali residents have proposed traffic solutions to the BMC to improve daily commuting conditions. The community from Lokhandwala complex in Kandivali East has presented a detailed plan addressing congestion and safety concerns, seeking immediate implementation. In financial news, the Enforcement Directorate has charged 54 individuals and entities, including 19 brokerage firms, in connection with the National Spot Exchange Limited trading fraud. Authorities accuse them of deceiving investors with false promises of high returns, leading to significant financial losses. Finally, Mumbai's historic Banganga tank is set for restoration as the BMC has begun efforts to clear encroachments and construct a retaining wall. The project aims to preserve the cultural and historical significance of this heritage site while improving its overall condition. That's all for now. Stay tuned for further updates. This is Ankita Singh, signing off. Keep watching Channel 6 Network for the latest news.